Daddy.
Yeah, he's going to his car. Here, Amherst, you want this? Ryan. Here, watch the end. Let's go take this to Amherst. These gloves to her. You can leave your car right there. Y'all, today I'm just trying to get the yard straightened up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go check out the pool since it's been a while. So just wanted to update y'all on what's going on. So as y'all can see, we are still cleaning up from the winter storm. So can we also point out the fact that we're wearing coats in April? Watch your steps, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Stay over there. Yeah, stay over there. That's where your daddy cut it. He ain't cut over here, so stay over there. What I just say? Stay over there.
Sick of it.
By the gate.
I just wanted to play in this grass, Mom. Mama, I see you recording. It's going to be 0. Mama, look, it's 0. Looks like the
Look at that. You got sticks to pick up over there
It
too.
looks like there's
Branches and fail.
it's a ball.
We got to clear that out around the pool house, most definitely. But we are looking for another riding mower, so. And for all that big stuff back there, that big stuff over there, we have to get some machinery, because that ain't gonna, we ain't gonna be able to do that. All right, look y'all, we let it get back green. Not on purpose, we meant to cover it, see? Brand new pool cover. But then again, we was like, well, if we're getting a, what were we supposed to have done?
We were supposed to get replastered.
Yeah, we were supposed to get the pool replastered. So we were like, well, if we're going to do that, then we may as well wait to cover the pool. But, yeah, this is where we are.
What are we?
Let me see. There's a bunch of them too, looking like little gnats or something.
it's a baby tadpole.
It sure is.
I gotta see no baby.
Look, y'all.
It's in here flipping.
That mug big. It about to turn into a whole frog. Okay.
You see it, Ryan? Don't back away.
Okay.
Okay, let
Emma.
me dump it.
I didn't see no baby.
All right, y'all. Let me put this phone down because we don't have anything to prop it up over here. So I'm about to put this phone down and clean out this pool. So we'll be back. Yeah, we are still back here by the pool house. I know it's loud, but look, there's a crack in this motor. I guess this is the motor. Whatever this thing is right here, there's a crack in it. Let's see. Oh man. All right, let me go ahead and turn it off before I mess something up. Close this as best as we can. Wasp was up in it.
I know y'all got socks on with y'all Crocs.
Sounds like the youngest ran back over here. All right, get that bucket for me. All right, so we moved that branch that was on this gate because it was falling down. It looked like it's salvageable. Just put some more nails back up in here. This thing will be all right. But now it looks like we're gonna have to get that thing replaced. That like I said, whatever that is, the motor or whatever, we're gonna have to. I don't know.
All the way. You have to go all
Oh
the
look,
way.
look who came out here. Asia,
Me?
tell YouTube, hey, girl, what are you doing? Tell YouTube, hey.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Hello, Cobra Knight.
Oh, look at her. I ain't even say hello, Cobra Knight today. She said hello, Cobra Knight. Okay. What's the neighbor doing? Nothing. Huh? Yeah, Ryan. Okay, so.
That water's so dirty.
Mm-hmm.
And there's water.
So it looks like we're probably gonna end up doing the same thing that we did last year, which was have the pool drain, have the pool clean, and then get them to look at this motor. So I'll be looking around for that, but of course that's not a priority because we have other things that we need to get done. But hopefully we can enjoy the pool like we did. I mean, I don't know. We'll see, y'all. So that's that with the pool right now. Which look, ain't no telling. Ain't no telling. I'm not, girly.
Look.
She's serious. Don't step in there.
Right.
Okay. There's probably some snakes in here and some more stuff. Anyways, oh man, that sucks. All right, let's go. We need to turn this water hose off. Why do y'all keep putting the whole thing in there, Emrys? Don't do that. I just have it on the concrete.
It's
Lean in there.
yellow and green.
Mm-hmm.
Is
We're
there
gonna
a
get it
frog in
right
here?
though.
Yeah.
I'm sure it is.
We can have a
No, ma'am.
We can have a party with the frog. So yummy. So
You gonna swim
yummy.
with the frogs, Ryan?
Okay,
You gonna get in the water like this? Huh? You gonna get in like this?
Swimming. I wanna go swim in the frog one.
Go ahead. Put your feet in. Oh boy. No, I'm just playing. Don't do that nasty mess. All right, y'all. Let me turn this water hose off. I thought we was gonna get some cleaning done today, but if we can't, move back, move from off the edge. But if we can't, I mean, of course we could always hook the dolphin up, but you know, if we can't keep it, keep the filter going, then it's really no point. Look, there go another tadpole right there. It's bigger too. Look, right here. Let me take you out. No, it's right there. You see it against the wall.
Over here. So you never.
Right here. Well, you can't see it from this side. Let me move. You see it?
I don't. They just stay right here. I don't see it. So you don't.
See, not as many as I saw last
I don't see it.
Yeah, we did have a bunch last
Wait,
year.
I didn't see nothing.
But look, it's right
I
there.
see a tadpole.
It's right here.
Wait, a tadpole or a frog?
No, tadpole is right here against the
I
wall.
thought you was talking about frogs.
No, girl, I haven't seen the frog.
Hey, watch.
Don't push
Get
him.
back,
Do
get
not. Y'all go. Go back on the other side. My bad, y'all. I wasn't even paying attention. I don't know how what view I was just giving y'all. But see, we have a little stuff that we're gonna start the cleaning process with. Because what? I'm curious to know too.
There's spiders webs and all stuff.
There's spider webs everywhere. Look at where we live at.
Can we go
All right.
outside up there?
Hmm.
See what's-
Okay, I'm going to the front to move this branch or whatever that fell by our sign. So that's where I'm headed now, y'all. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she did it and left it.
Stop crying.
Negative.
Yeah, negative.
Oh, move. It's an anthill. Move. Under this bush. Now move. Goodness. Stay over there. Girl, over here. We're going to sit it right here in the front. Okay, right here. Watch out for the anthill behind you. That. All right, we did it. Okay, going in for a little while. Then probably go to Lowe's. Mm-hmm.
You see it, Ryan?
Where? Oh, it's still up there? Yeah, no, it needs to move. Or it's not.
Wait, it's the other one.
If it goes through there, it can't go.
Where?
Over there. Over here. It's been up here for a minute.
Oh.
It's stuck up there. Yeah. I hope we fix it. Look! Come
Stop
back!
it, Asia.
Why?
Little birdie.
Yeah.
I'll move my hand for you.
Wait, birds can't see glass?
Supposedly. We should break it for it.
No, ma'am. All right, my bad, Cobra Nights. We took kind of an extended break, but we're done eating lunch, and now we are back. I see somebody weeding our yard over there. Hold on, wait. Let me take y'all outside. Hold on. What you say? What's the news? What's the word? Yeah, why are they over here, y'all?
Wait.
They in their yard. I mean, it's her yard, but the animals don't even be over here. Like, look at Boo. No, they weren't. They over there on their side of the fence. I just don't know what she's doing over there. Like, gone on.
And look at all these cool things.
So you have a pajama shirt on with some sandals and something like a rain jacket. Where are you going?
I got on my cupcake pants.
Let me see. Momo, you didn't have to change clothes to go outside. You had on a long sleeve shirt and some pants that Daddy put on you. Well, you can't wear this outside, ma'am. How you gonna play in some sandals? You playing in your new sandals and something else, all the other stuff you got on, pajamas and stuff. If you want to go outside, you gotta go put your clothes back on. If not, you're not going outside. You want a tutu? Okay, well, you can't wear a tutu right now. You don't go outside to play in a tutu. And even what you have on is not a tutu.
Just a day for
Wait.
Cobras.
My battery's low.
Girl, put the dress up.
All right.
The dress has
My battery is low. Like I said, if I don't finish this video out today, I will, I don't know, I guess I'll catch y'all later or either in the next video. Make sure y'all just, you know, keep watching this like every single day or something. Right, that's what I'm looking at now. I don't see no option to do it. Yeah, I was getting some footage for y'all. She hurt herself outside. Not like that's what I was trying to get her or anything. But just trying to show y'all our day-to-day, you know, on this one anyways. It's probably not gonna happen often, but I am gonna try to be more consistent. Anyways, I was making a video and for some reason the video went into slow-mo. Like, how did that happen? Like the beginning was regular, the end was regular. Y'all gonna see on there. I'm not gonna include all the slow motion stuff, but okay, y'all, we had to backtrack just a little bit, but this is how it looked while I was recording. She her herself, then Ryan knocked over the garbage bag, and Asia coming in here with all different type of stuff on, but I think that one was regular, so y'all should see it. Show them what, yo, you show them this, your little boo-boo.
Already added water and stuff on it to make it better.
Yeah, see, it's kind of bad. What your daddy tell you to do?
Put water on a paper towel, and well, he actually said tissue. So I went upstairs to use tissue after I did the paper towel. He said put water on it and use a paper towel. Well, tissue.
I'm pretty sure he's just gonna leave it open so we just go ahead and heal as long as we don't get anything in it, so we won't get infected or anything like that. So she's okay. She's okay. I think the biggest part was her and her brother arguing. That's what hurt her feelings. Not the fact that she failed.
At first, I was crying a lot when I fell, but then Robert started calling me names and said, "You shouldn't stop acting like a baby. I'm going to tell him I'm still crying."
Yeah, that wasn't right either, but still, you was being a little extra. Tad bit. Alright, y'all, so we have some risotto going on that Amber's made, black beans, and then our vegan meat with the taco seasoning. Oh, excuse me. And then I'm making the plates over here, cutting up some avocado in just a minute, and a lime because I want a little lime on there today. We got our sour cream. So, what, it's good. He said you just need a little salt. What you do
When
now?
it cooled down, it needed more salt.
Oh, man.
It was the burn that gave it flavor.
We got the tortillas in the oven. I've started using this. What is this brand? The,
La Banderita.
okay, she said La Banderita. White corn tortillas. And that's because this one, out of all the tortillas, like we used to get the veggie tortillas as well. But it has so many different ingredients in it. And this one only has about, what, 4 or 5 ingredients? So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna start using this brand of tortillas. And then it's the same ones that I think that they probably use in restaurants or something like that because, well, they probably make their own for the authentic one. But these are the small ones for the street tacos. So they probably,
You
they
think
probably
we ever
use
got
this.
a chance to show them?
Yeah, you seen the turtle before. Oh, y'all, we didn't tell y'all either one of our turtles died. So now we got a little lonely turtle over here. Yeah, sure we did.
Erin, did you make a great?
Looking for me in my. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go so we can get the food ready.
Buried it.
Huh?
I said we buried
Oh,
it.
I'm sorry. My bad. She want to talk to y'all.
We buried a turtle. I was gonna make a grave thing. And we also have apple seeds. And some are in here. And lemon seeds and grape seeds too. And like he's making fun of my avocado seed.
I don't think I mean, it didn't look like it's doing anything, but I don't think
This
it might
one
have
is
actually
it's sprouting real good. It's
Where?
Right here.
That's not the avocado seed.
Oh, he's talking about the avocado seed.
Yeah.
This is my seed. The avocado seed right here. See?
Man, what are you doing? Calm your nerves.